Hello everyone, welcome back with one more session. As I have promised you that I'll join you with a new discussion, new point, new style, and that will be mock test and mock test analysis. So we are going to start with the mock test discussion and mock analysis, and the questions will be based on your passive voice. Okay, so the format that we are going to follow will be completely passive voice. All right, so let's begin with uh, you know that that's just the rule. If it is present simple, then is MR plus past participle verb. If it is past simple, was verb plus past participle verb. If it is MR ing, then being plus past participle verb. If it is was verb ing, then it is was verb plus being plus past participle verb. So these are the some general rules that we follow. So let's begin with they are giving. By the way, before we start the questions, one important point: when you are solving question, just what you need to look at, just you need to look at the markers. So through the markers you will be able to save time and you will be able to do question very quickly. All right, so they are giving, you know that it is continuous tense, right? So the continuous tense means the option with being will be your answer. So you need to check that which option has being. So there are two options with being, and this is called being and being, right? Because it is the question of passive voice, therefore being is compulsory. It's mean you cannot think of A and B because it is present continuous tense is ring, and therefore it will be the R1, and hence C will be eliminated and D becomes answer. So this is called shortcut. Whenever you are solving question, instead of looking at everything and making every plan until it is very difficult question, you can solve it quickly. Now someone follows me. So this is present simple. It's mean it should be is followed. Is followed, right? So is me means I. So I am followed. So you are left with only two options, A and C, right? Was cannot be. Why? Because it is present simple and therefore A is the answer. This is called shortcut. So whenever there is shortcut, what you need to do, just you need to look at the option that we are the option that has continuous tense, and then we go with the continuous possible. We go with the continuous markers. All right. Next is they will offer discount to customers at that time. Okay, so will, it's mean will be your passive voice. Option with the with will be your answer, and hence by default you can eliminate B, D, C. We need not to think anymore. Why? Because there is no option with will. All right, now they are repairing the road since morning. They are repairing the road since morning, and then are repairing means present continuous passive voice, means option with being will be the answer. Hence you are left with only A and D because it is present continuous tense, and therefore is being will be the answer instead of was, because was is past continuous tense. Okay, the workers are cleaning the hall right now. So are cleaning, again present continuous, it's been being one. So the being, you have only one option, and that is called option A. It's been B, C, D out. So this is called shortcut. Whenever you are applying shortcut, just you need to look at the markers, and marker means for every passive voice there is certain marker that we need to, that we follow generally. Okay, now look at, they decorated the stage when we arrived. So they decorated the stage past simple, and past simple means was verb plus past participle verb. So was verb past participle verb, we have only two options, was and was, but because it is being, option C is being, and therefore it can be eliminated. Only D will be the answer. So let's do two more questions. She wrote a report. So she wrote a report means wrote a report past simple means was verb plus past participle verb, and then BCD out. By default A is the answer. This is called quick shortcut. They will send me. So will be the option. Will be, you have only one option, will be second option, both A, B and being. D cannot be the answer. Though they will send me an invitation, it's mean I will be sent. I will be sent will be fine. Invitation will be sent will be fine. It's been A and B both, and hence C is the answer. They gave price, gave past simple, it's been was given, and was given. You have option A, option B, both A, B and price is given cannot be. So her means she was given fine, price was given fine, it's been both A and B, and hence C is the answer. So this is the way that you should deal with the shortcuts of the passive voice. Tomorrow we are going to do conjunction and some rules of conjunctions, and then in next class we will solve previous year questions paper based on passive voice, preposition and conjunction. All right. If you have any doubt or you want to ask anything, you can drop your message in chat box. And twice in a week we will be live with our seniors, our senior experts, where you can ask any question related to your BITSAT college, BITSAT preparation, BITSAT course, BITSAT exam paper, BITSAT test series, and BITSAT admissions. All right. So let it be this much for today. Catch you in next session, that is tomorrow. So